Alright, some kind of dumbass bird in the garage. Here he is, flying around. See him? He's up there, flopping around like a flopper. There he goes. So, we gotta get this puppy out of the garage. There he is up there. So, this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna go catch this fucker. Come here, fucking otter. Come here. Where you going? Come on, you gotta get to a spot where I can grab your ass. There you go. Oh, he's gonna play games with me. That's what he's gonna do. We try to get him up against the glass and he panics. There you go. We want to get him this way. There we go. There we go. Alright. Easy, puppy snots. We got him. We got that fucker. There he is. Hi, birdie. Where are you? You got a big beak. You got a big beak. Don't be biting me, you little bugger. Alright. So what we're gonna do is, we're gonna take this sucker outside now that we caught his ass. Like this. We got him, we're outside. And there he goes. See ya, buddy.